At SMFG India Credit, we believe that true progress happens when communities grow together. In a country where over two-thirds of the population lives in villages and small towns, rural empowerment isn't just an initiative. It's the foundation of national growth. With a robust network of 1,000 plus branches, reaching more than 70,000 villages, we are bridging the gap between ambition and opportunity. Our corporate responsibility mission goes beyond credit. It's about creating lasting change. Through initiatives under Uday like Jivika, Yuva Kaushal, Jyoti and Pashu Vikas, we empower individuals to build sustainable livelihoods. Among these, Pashu Vikas Day stands as a testament to our ongoing commitment.
मेरे पास 7 पशु है। उनकी मैं अच्छे से सुबह उठती हूँ, उसको चारा डालती हूँ, फिर उसको पानी पिलाती हूँ।
Meet Poonam. Not long ago, she and her family faced financial uncertainty. That changed the day she welcomed a new family member, a buffalo named Bhumi. Today, she's an entrepreneur and the financial backbone of her family, helping them dream bigger. Her story is not unique. Across India, countless individuals are transforming their lives through animal husbandry. Over 70% of rural households own livestock, with a total population exceeding 530 million. For many cattle owners, the well-being of animals is directly tied to the prosperity of rural families.
चारा गिरते हैं तो इस हमें दूध देती है, इसमें हम दूध बेचते हैं डेयरी पे, तो इसमें कुछ पैसे मिलते हैं तो घर का काम चल जाता है, बच्चों की पढ़ाई लिखाई में, घर का खर्चा में।
वो लास्ट वाली है ना जो सिंगल है, उसके बाद में मोनिका है।
The cattle are more than just assets. They are a lifeline. They are considered family, with many believing in Mera Pashu, Mera Parivar.
टाइम से जिया बच्चे ने ता खुआवा पिलावा तो जिया जानवर ने भी जिया खिलावा पिलावा था, तो वो आपको आत्मा जुड़ जाती है। इस तरह आपकी आत्मा है, ये आत्मा है।
सभी ग्रामवासियों को सूचित किया जाता है कि 15 फरवरी को सुबह 7 बजे से SMFG ग्राम शक्ति द्वारा पशु विकास मेले का आयोजन किया जा रहा है।
Recognizing the vital role cattle play as the backbone of rural livelihoods, SMFG India Credit launched Pashu Vikas Day in 2014 to empower livestock owners and strengthen rural economies. Each year, hundreds of camps are set up across India, equipping cattle owners with access to quality animal health care and vital knowledge.
जब इन्होंने इसको अपनाया, पशु में अगर बीमारियां नहीं आई, स्वस्थ रहा तो प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा हुआ, उत्पादन ज़्यादा हुआ, निश्चित तौर पर इनको काफ़ी प्रॉफिट हुआ।
इनके कैंपல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா மெயின் पर्पस வந்து हेल्थ केयर ऑफ कैटल।
डीवर्मिंग करवाएंगे, टीकाकरण है।
Since its inception, Pashu Vikas Day has grown significantly, expanding its reach from 22,000 cattle across 114 locations in 2014 to 1,19,000 cattle across 458 locations by 2024. Recognized by the Limca Book of Records, Best of India Records, World Books of Records and World Records Union, it stands as India's largest single-day initiative, driving prosperity for cattle owners and strengthening rural economies.
दुख तो हमारे कांटो चुभ जाए उनको बेचे, भैंस के कांटो चुभ जाए उनको बेचे। बहुत धन्यवाद आपको, डॉक्टर साहब को, जो हमारा भैंस का इलाज कर रहा है।
மறுபடியும் இந்த கேம்ப் போடணும், இந்த கேம்ப் நடத்தி கொடுத்தவங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே மிக்க நன்றி.
And in 2025, we took this mission even further.
ये हमारा 7वां पशु विकास दिवस है, राष्ट्रीय स्तर है। हमारा इस साल का जो नारा है वो है मेरा पशु मेरा परिवार। और अगर पशु अच्छा रहेगा तो आमदनी बढ़ेगी तो देश बढ़ेगा।
This year, Pashu Vikas Day camps were held in 16 states across 500 locations, with 18 mega locations hosting large-scale events, impacting 1.9 lakh lives, benefiting 1,50,000 cattle and 40,000 cattle owners. What makes this initiative truly special is the dedication of our 6,000 plus employees who pour days of efforts into every camp. From selecting villages and coordinating with doctors to conducting camps, gathering data and spreading awareness, their commitment ensures meaningful impact. Their deep connection with communities drive positive change, helping customers lead better lives. And this year, we set an ambitious goal, aiming for a Guinness World Record. In our commitment to uplift and empower rural communities beyond a single day of medical aid, we introduce specialized knowledge sessions across multiple venues in India. These carefully planned and orchestrated lessons equip the cattle owners with the necessary animal welfare knowledge, ensuring cattle rearing remains a sustainable and profitable livelihood.
Cattle is a very important part, and their lives are very intertwined between the cattle owners and the cattle, and that's why we have labeled this edition as Mera Pashu, Mera Parivar, because it is a family rather than an asset.
We target to reach out 500 plus cattle owners through providing them knowledge and through a cattle welfare lesson.
Due to this magnanimous feat, on February 15th, 2025, we made history.
I'm delighted to say that you have now set a new Guinness World Record standard.
We achieved a Guinness World Record for the largest cattle welfare lesson, with 517 participants across 6 venues in India, conducted simultaneously at a single point in time.
This is a profound, historic and unbelievable achievement.
A moment of pride for all of us.
Pashu Vikas Day is more than an event. It's a movement of empowerment and progress. By supporting cattle owners and strengthening rural livelihoods, we are investing in the backbone of our nation. But our vision extends far beyond a single initiative. With an unwavering commitment to community development, our diverse programs have transformed over 5 million lives, driving sustainable and lasting change. This dedication has earned national recognition. In February 2025, SMFG India Credit was honored with the prestigious Golden Peacock Award, a testament to our relentless pursuit of social impact. This is Pragati Ki Nai Pehchan, a movement that uplifts, empowers, and strengthens rural India, paving the way for prosperity across generations. At SMFG India Credit, we don't just support communities, we stand with them every step of the way.